It's always a great question to ask a customer. How well do you know your customers? Followed by, how well would you like to know your customers? If there are a number of things that you're going to do brilliantly, what are those things that you're going to do brilliantly? What's important within O2 is that you've got the insight to deliver fantastic marketing propositions. Salesforce then helps us execute brilliantly.
I think what got started here was really an entrepreneurial mindset and really an ability to invent the future and do things that would really change the world. You look at HP's history, we've had a lot of high moments, a lot of challenges along the way, but we really are at an inflection point right now. And the pace of change has increased significantly.
The essence of living worldly is about making sure distance doesn't isolate the human spirit. It's about stimulating the economy in the places products are produced, making a difference by helping others make a living. Be a part of something bigger. Live worldly.
Children's Bureau has really been a leader in prevention. Unfortunately, very little has been done in society to really help families be strong and capable so they don't get into difficulties.
How do we then lift up the parent and let them know that anything that they do is of value?
I've been fortunate enough to have a lot of success in sales here. Really, I'm just working hard, doing what I can to help my team, and things have been going my way.
Our customers want to run faster, jump higher, hit the ball harder. So we have to prepare to help them prepare for victory.